Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. We are going to make a beautiful handmade crochet orange with green leaves. This project is perfect for beginners and a fun way to add a touch of color to your home decor. I shall walk you through each step so you can easily follow along. Let's get started. Materials you shall need: orange yarn for the main part of the orange, green yarn for the leaves, a crochet hook, scissors, a yarn needle for weaving in ends, and some stuffing to make the orange nice and plump. Now let's begin with the orange. Step number 1. Starting the orange, begin with a magic ring, which will be the center of the orange. If you are not familiar with the magic ring, don't worry. You can also start with a chain of 2 stitches. Make 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. This is our first round. Step number 2. Increasing the orange. For the next round, we shall increase. Make 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. This will give us 12 stitches in total. In the third round, increase again by doing 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then 2 single crochets in the next. Repeat this pattern around for a total of 18 stitches. Continue to increase for 2 more rounds until you have about 30 stitches around. Your orange is now starting to take shape. Step number 3. Building up the body. Now we shall do a few rounds without increasing to make the body of the orange. Crochet 1 stitch in each stitch around for about 6 to 8 rounds, depending on how big you want your orange. Step number 4. Decreasing the orange. Once you are happy with the size, we shall begin decreasing to close the orange. After a few rounds of decreasing, start adding your stuffing. Continue decreasing until you have just a few stitches left. Then close the hole using your yarn needle. Weave in the ends. Step number 5. Attach making the leaves. Take your green yarn and make a chain of 6 stitches. Starting from the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet in each stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1, turn and single crochet back across. To shape the leaf, decrease at each end by skipping a stitch in the middle of each row. Repeat for 3 or 4 rows until your leaf comes to a nice point. Fasten off and leave a bit of extra yarn to sew the leaf onto the orange. Step number 6. Attaching the leaves with your yarn needle. Sew the leaves to the top of your orange. Make sure they are secure and arrange them in a way that looks natural. Once you are happy with the placement, tie off and weave in any loose ends. Starting from the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet in each stitch. To shape the leaf, decrease at each end by skipping a stitch in the middle of each row. Repeat for 3 or 4 rows until your leaf comes to a nice point. Fasten off and leave a bit of extra yarn to sew the leaf onto the orange. Final touches, and that's it. You have now made a cute handmade crochet orange with lovely green leaves. You can use this as a decoration or even add a loop to turn it into a keychain. Thank you so much for watching this video.